Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been about 3 weeks since I last uploaded a YouTube video and I don't know. I'm back for now. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be doing my makeup based off of this little, I would say niche, because like I even asked my sister if she knew what this thing was and she didn't know. So I'm going to be doing my makeup based off of this little niche internet meme and it's called My New Character. It's just a meme that's been popping up all over my For You page on TikTok, and it's basically where an artist drew these dogs and they uploaded the pictures to Twitter, and then maybe a little less than a month ago people found the pictures and they just started turning them into videos on TikTok. I literally can't describe it any other way than that. The person who made these on Twitter, they go by the name Phillip and he just created these 2 dogs, and the one that I'm gonna be doing, he called it My New Character, and his whole deal is that he's super chill and that he doesn't give a F, essentially. That's what the caption said, and people ran with this and they just made it into this whole entire elaborate inside joke, I guess you could say. I wanted to come back to my YouTube channel with something kind of simple because last time I turned to a cat, now I'm gonna turn to a dog. Who knows what animal I'm gonna be turning to next, okay? No, but seriously, I wanted to come back to my YouTube channel with something just a little bit more calm, nothing too much. So I decided to do this makeup look. It's not really gonna be anything crazy. I might just do like what? A brown nose to match the. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. See y'all on the next clip, I guess. Okay, hey guys, I just did my brows off camera and they're pretty thick. And I thought they were gonna be like too thick, but I did the face that the My New Character does, and okay, I think it's starting to come together, okay? Honestly, they're not really that thick. I just think I have been too much of a thin brow warrior for too long. And it's like my first time doing semi-thick brows and I'm a little too far lost in the thin browness. But they look really cute, and yeah. Which one do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer me with thinner brows or thicker brows? Now I'm going to go on with my base, and I think I'm gonna film that with you guys. I mean, my base changes literally almost every single time I do my makeup. Let me just go ahead and put on my foundation, y'all. Now I'm going to use a tiny bit of this concealer, and I am still going to very much so dot it everywhere. And then I'm going to blend that in. Oh wait, I wanted to put a tiny bit of this on too. Okay, I'll see y'all once this is blended out. Okay guys, now it is time for the concealer. I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty concealer and this e.l.f. First, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty concealer because it is a little bit darker than my other concealer. Okay, I'm going to blend that out and then I'll be back, of course, to put this on. Okay, also I just finished powdering my face. It looks very plain, it looks very one tone, but that's okay. It's alright. I'm actually using this super old CoverGirl pressed powder, and I'm literally pressing my powder into my face. I don't know, it does a good job. I think I'm gonna do my nose contour right now. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner because I do want it to look a little bit thicker above my eye. So I might do one eye with y'all and one eye off camera or something. Hi guys. Ooh. Hi guys. I'm gonna take this random behind palette right here, and I'm gonna use the shade Chocolate Orange. I'm gonna lightly put that on my eyelid. So why does this look just like giving just in general? Okay guys, now I'm gonna take this little, the whole thing just like broke. What in the world? It literally just fell out of the pan. Oh my god. Do y'all see? It like broke into 2 pieces. I did it again. Well, anyways guys, I learned my lesson. I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. I can't show it to y'all though. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do the little nose, which is just black. Hopefully y'all saw me do that. Now I'm gonna fill it in with this liquid lipstick because it is extremely matte. Okay guys, so I filled it in. I'll come back when it's time to do something else. I'm probably gonna do my mascara and lashes off camera. Guys, I look really silly, but I just did my mascara, you guys, and every time I do my mascara, I fight the urge to just be like, okay, we're done with the makeup, but I think I am gonna put on some lashes, even though I really like it without. Yeah, let's move on to the next step. Now we're gonna go on to blush. So my new character kind of has this orangey kind of peachy, so that's what we're gonna try and do with our blush. I'm gonna be using a mix of these two colors right here, and we're gonna just apply that. It low-key looks like it's a bronzer. Like, it's not giving blush, it very much so is giving bronzer, but it's okay. Okay y'all, so now we're gonna do highlighter. For our highlight, first I was gonna do a gold highlight because I was like, okay, he's so warm toned. Here's a screenshot of him. I'll use a mixture of these two. And now we're gonna mix in a little bit of this highlighter. But I did just apply some highlighter and I think it looks really nice. So now, finally, last but not least, I'm going to do a lip combo. First, I'm going to take this MAC lip liner in the shade Cork, and I'm going to lightly line my lips. Now I'm going to take this LA Girl Shockwave Nude Lip Liner in the shade Chai Latte. So here we are with these three lip colors. This is a Buxom lip cream in like Russian white, and then we have this Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow Fantasy, and then we have this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Bring the Bling. I think I'm gonna combine the three and hope for the best. Okay, actually I take it back. We're gonna do not Bring the Bling but Pricey, because you'll see the color is a little bit more darker toned. Okay, so let's get started on the lippy now. Y'all, this literally eats up so much by itself. I get so upset when a lip combo looks really good, but of course I'm going for a theme, so I can't just leave it like this. But OMG, why is this cute, y'all? Like, literally, if you guys want us to be a dog for Halloween, tell me, y'all, what in the world? It hurts to use these next products, but I'm gonna do it. And last but not least, I'm gonna do the NYX Butter Gloss. Okay guys, so I just finished that up and I'm gonna do the final touches off camera. Okay guys, I just finished with the makeup look and I'm very happy with it. It looks cute, it looks very simple. Now, of course, I said in the beginning that this look was inspired by the like my new character thing, but it kind of doesn't look like it, but I'm still gonna tag it anyways. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because doing the makeup was very fun. Follow me on all my different social medias. They're all linked down below. Oh, and I remember when I did my brows, I thought they were really big, but they aren't big at all. And they're actually super cute, and I think these are the perfect size brows for my face. Can you say hi to the camera? Anyways, I kind of look like the character if I make the face that he's always making. That's it, guys. I don't really have much else to say. Anyways, guys, I feel like I don't really look like the character, but that's what this makeup look was inspired by nonetheless, so I still am going to tag that character in all of my videos. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
And chills the breeze and touches with